Hello and welcome to this episode of Agent and Headshed Productions. Today we're going to be fog bombing the car because I've an idea that it's given me the itchies. It's been in the shed for 30 years after all. Then we're going to be starting to paint the brake calipers for the car to put on there. That'll be coming in the next episode when we're doing the front suspension, brakes and whatnot. So let's get to it. The legendary German build quality showing through here. There is no smoke seeping through the seals. Looks like Snoop Dogg's car with smoke in it. The bug bombs are working away in there. So we will leave it to tomorrow. Open the doors up. And hopefully we'll not be scratching when we hop in here anymore. There's the car all cleaned up now. It's got a few years of dirt off it, and we've took the power hose underneath it to see if there's any rust or where the rust is, and it's been hiding in that there, so we'll have to take it back up to the top shed to take a wee look-see and see what it is.
Talk to me.
I'm talking to the world. I've sold the car.
I'm on a hat. Oh.
Right, what do you think of this car, William? Honest opinion.
Great. Well, it's already water on it.
Well, I think we need new window wipers. They're a bit smeary. They go fast, they're really fast.
Really fast.
That good fun.
Yes. So awesome.
Well, that's the main man, aren't you? We're back in the shed. Oh, the telephone's going here, of course. So we've got all our tools out here. Brake and clutch cleaner, which you probably don't need for everything's brand new, but it's not a bad thing to do. Yeah, but all got to clean. Liberally on. It's not too bad, are they? Now what colour we're going to go for? Get a wee stick to mix her up. And we're going for a nice graphite. So, we get our wee paintbrush out. This is nice. Oh, hopefully it will be.
Nice paint you have. Lovely paint.
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Lovely shines.
Put that down there so I can
Very
get that.
hot. I forgot your one day.
So try and paint these here. Try not to get any on the machine surfaces. Maybe
Is
maybe onto
that?
the car.
Oh, grey.
Is that a bit boring for you, William? You like grey?
Yeah,
Oh, that's good. You like grey too, of course.
Take a sit. Yes,
Grey.
I know. Palette.
Yeah, you can sit down in the park. Oh,
Do you need gloves?
you certainly do.
Daddy may need to pay.
That's okay. That is perfect timing for that there, William. I'll take you for one now, okay?
Sorry.
Okay. We'll do that and I'll stop the camera. Excuse me. And then we'll hang them up here on this here. We hooks made out of welding rods. Let's keep them to dry. They're not fantastically done there, so they'll be second coat.